No, the chess masters is very important for youth development specifically, that they can think critically, ba kgone go dirisa di-strategies, ba kgone go nna le the roadmap for the future. At the present moment, bana tend to think for the here and now, but then they need to also to think about the future. But chess is not only for the younger people, it's also for the older generation, to prevent things like dementia, where you forget things and so on. You can exercise your brain such that in future you don't forget where you've put your keys and why you left the place in the first place. So it's so important that relevant chess, because it's an entertaining game, but also it enhances the brain function. Yeah, no.